Okay, now we will talk about the experiment of B Pharmacy 5th semester in Pharmacology 2nd. The bioassay of histamine using guinea pig ileum by matching method. So, the requirement for this experiment will be basically we require the guinea pig ileum and physiological salt solution we require tyrosine solution. In chemical we require the histamine standard and the known concentration of this standard is 10 microgram per ml. And the histamine unknown which we have to calculate through this experiment. What will be the strength of this histamine? That is a part of this our experiment. And fixing solution we require. An instrument which we will use here is student organ bath. And these are the various specification and the time cycle and the baseline and their different specific time duration which we will use. So starting from the theory. As we are going to do a bioassay of histamine. What is bioassay? In the bioassay, basically, in this bioassay we compare the test substance with the international standard preparation of the same, and to find out how much test substance is required to produce the same biological effect as produced by the standard. Basically, through the bioassay, by using the living tissue or organism or animal, we calculate the strength of unknown solution, which is also called test solution. And for this calculation we have the various methods. Like in the bioassay we have different methods through which we can perform our bioassay, as the matching bioassay is there, interpolation bioassay and the multiple point bioassay, which may be 3-point, 4-point and 6-point bioassay. In this experiment, as we are calculating the strength of unknown solution by using matching bioassay. So in the matching bioassay, basically we will take a response of a standard till the sealing effect observed, and after that we will administer the test solution and we will check कि test solution का जो response है that should be in between minimum response of test, minimum response of standard and the sub-maximal response of standard solution. And as we are using histamine here, histamine is basically autocard and it perform its action on the guinea pig ileum through the H1 receptor. It binds with the H1 receptor in the guinea pig ileum and produces contraction. So this will be the theory part of this experiment. In the procedure, by using the carotid blow on the head and the carotid bleeding, we will sacrifice the guinea pig ileum and we will follow the process as given in this slide. And after making all arrangements along with the student organ bath or mounting the tissue, first we will draw a DRC, dose response curve of known means standard histamine, which we are using here 10 microgram per ml. So we will use different dose of standard histamine till the sealing effect observed. And in the second part we will select the minimum dose of unknown and take a response till response lies in between minimal and submaximal response of standard, and at last we will administer the standard dose till its response matched with the unknown response. So basically when we will look at our dose response curve, then probably the student will get more idea about this. So like this is the dose response curve of histamine by matching bioassay. So initially in the procedure of matching bioassay, first we have to administer the increasing dose of standard till the sealing effect observed. As we are starting from the 0.1, we have two consecutive doses we have given in the same at 0.1 and again 0.1, because we are checking equipotency here, and the response which we are getting, it is of 12 millimeter. And when we are introducing that 0.2 microgram per ml of standard, then we are getting 17 mm of response, and so on, as up to 1.6 we are getting 29, and due to the sealing effect at 3.2 microgram per ml we are getting the same response as of the 1.6 due to the ceiling effect. As I have discussed the ceiling effect. What is ceiling effect? Ceiling effect is the effect of response. It is the effect of drug increasing dose of response. It is the effect of drug through which after increasing the dose the response will remain same, because all receptor will be occupied with the drug. So after increasing the dose, because all the receptor is already occupied, no receptor is available for the extra drug, so the response will be same as it is of 1.6 microgram per ml of standard. So now as we have given standard up to the ceiling effect and the submaximal response, which is just before the maximum response is 29 mm, so the submaximum response is 25 mm. This is the submaximal response. Now we will start giving test drug. As we are giving test drug here 0.1 ml, the dose of test will be in ml and the dose of standard will be in microgram per ml. So as we are giving 0.1 ml and we are getting 9 mm of height, we have to keep in mind that whatever we have to adjust the dose of test, but the response of test must lie in between the minimum response, that is 12 mm, and between the submaximal response of standard, which is 25 mm. 12 mm से 25 mm के बीच आपका response test का आना चाहिए. As 0.1 ml पे response 9 mm है, so what we will do, we will increase the dose of test. We are introducing here 0.2 ml of test and we are getting 14 mm of height. As the 14 mm of height is lying in between 12 mm and 25 mm, so what we will do, we will again give same dose of test, that is 0.2 ml, and we will check the equipotency of that test. So again we are getting 14 mm. So now what we have to do, as we have given the test drug and we have got the response that lies in between the minimum standard and the submaximal response of standard, that is 14 mm. So now we will give the 0.1 microgram per ml of standard, and as we are getting initially, as we got initially 12 mm, again we will get 12 mm. So what we have to do, as standard 0.2 it is getting 14 mm and from the standard 0.1 we are getting 12 mm. So what we have to do, we have to just increase a little bit increase in the standard, and we have to check when the 14 mm response is observed. So 0.1 को increase करके 0.12 दिया and we are getting कि 14 mm of response आ गया. It means the response of test, the test response at 0.2 ml 14 mm and the standard response at 0.12 microgram per ml, it is 14 mm. So again we will give the same dose to check out again the equipotency and to confirm the accuracy. Again we are getting 14 mm response. So here only we will stop our recording the DRC, and as from here we can see the 0.2 ml of test response is equal to 0.12 microgram per ml of standard response. So these are the data, and through the data these are the same response site through which I prepared this dose response curve. So what we will do, we have a formula for calculating the unknown, concentration of unknown is equal to y by x into concentration of standard, and the y is equal to dose of standard that matches with the test response. So dose of standard that matches with the test response is 0.12 and for test 0.2. So 0.12 it is y, and the volume of test matched with the standard it is 0.2. 0.2 it is matching with this. So we will put this value, and the concentration of standard, as we have discussed in this first slide, what it is, standard solution strength is 10 microgram per ml. So what we will do, we will put all the values in the formula. So the concentration of unknown solution of histamine is 0.12 means dose of standard divided by x, which is volume of test. It is 0.2 into 10, and we, after solving, we will get 6 microgram per ml, because the unit of standard is 10 microgram per ml. So here we will get 6 microgram per ml. So this is the simple method. Now on the conclusion, we can say we will take the DRC till the ceiling effect observed, and we will give the test and response, and we will observe the response lies in between minimum dose, minimum response of standard and some maximal response of standard. And again we will manipulate the dose of standard so that the same response is observed as we already got in the test solution. So this is, so by using this formula we have solved, and we have got the result. The known concentration of histamine by using isolated guinea pig ileum by matching biopsy was found to be 6 microgram per ml. So these are the various questions. What is matching biopsy? Define biopsy, define ceiling effect, write down the two disadvantages of matching biopsy, and what is the difference between quantile and graded biopsy. Basically graded biopsy it means where जहाँ पर हम increasing dose के साथ रेस्पॉन्स देखते हैं, रेस्पॉन्स भी बढ़ता जाता है और लास्ट में सीलिंग इफेक्ट आता है. क्वांटल इफेक्ट में हम बेसिकली बात करते हैं ऑल और नन इफेक्ट की. So these are the various questions, and these are the references from where I took the information. So this is all about the matching bias. Thank you very much.